second problem is that as it's moving up, it's actually pulling away from the house. So we have So really and truly, there's problems with the deck that we're trying to correct. One, the casings are coming up, okay? And we're going to cut the main supports to make up for that problem for now. We might add jacks so it's adjustable. We're waiting to hear from the engineer. The second problem is that as it's moving up, it's actually pulling away from the house. So we have the main header over there which is staying in place, but everything else is moving. So we're putting pressure on the house from the top of the deck that's causing the siding to crack, and it's also pulling all the nails out of the boards. Now, contractor friend of mine said, I did help build this deck originally, but he said, don't put nails, put screws. I listened to the general contractor was at the time that was building the house. He said to put nails in, we did nails. It saved us, so we're not replacing a bunch of wood because it would have just ruined the wood, but they did pull out. So, after I cut these, I'm going to use the come-alongs to suck everything back in so all the boards line up right, everything's level, and we'll be back at zero, just like we built it.